I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go.
Hey y'all, hey, today I'm going to be showing you how I did this DIY faux ceramic vase, and here are the things that I'm going to be using. I have some baking soda already in a container because my kids tore up the box, and I have my Valspar color sample in the shade Agreeable Beige, and I did the tint at 50% so it would be a little lighter than the true color because I thought it was going to be a little bit too dark for this project. And I also have a Rubbermaid container that is missing a lid. That is what I'm going to be mixing my paint up in because yeah, I'm cheap. And I also have this paintbrush that I already had. It is slanted, but if you have a straight edge, then that would be better for this project. And this is a IKEA vase that I bought maybe 2 years ago, and I think it was $4.99. It's actually pretty large. I bought 2 of them. They were on sale at the time, and I put it in the dishwasher so it could be super clean before I started this painting process.
Honestly, I can't remember if you love me.
And I'm putting this white piece of paper down just so you guys can have some contrast and can see what I'm doing just a little bit better. I'm going to be adding the paint to the little container, but I want you guys to see the color of it. It's a light, like I said, it's accessible beige. That's the paint color, but it's really light, and I'm going to love it. You're going to love it too because you're going to let me know in the comments. I'm looking.
Up and put them back together, but I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see.
The ratio for the mix is 1:1, but I am eyeballing it, and I'm going to stir it, and you'll see that I'm going to add some additional baking soda because I just really wasn't enjoying the consistency of it. I thought it was just a little bit runny, but throughout these clips I'll show you up close the thickness of it, and you'll see what it was that I was trying to achieve. If you mix it well, it'll be great, but like I said, I wasn't feeling the consistency at first. It was just a little too runny for me, so I thickened it up. I just added just a little bit more, and then it was perfect.
But honestly, I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely. I don't know. Just let it go. But what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like
I think everybody knows how to paint, so this is very self-explanatory. Just put the paint on the brush and you just add the product to the vase. But anyway, I did try to make my strokes nice and neat after that was during the second coat. I'm only going to show you guys one coat, but I do actually 2 coats. When I was doing this, it was really late at night. I think it was maybe like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. I really wanted to stick to my schedule. I said I wanted to film today, and this was the content that I wanted to create for you guys because I really wanted to style my entryway table, and I wanted to do something different. So yeah, I'm just rambling a little bit. But anyway, if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really, truly appreciate it. My name is Denise. I'm a stay-at-home mom. My content is basically homemaking, motherhood, lifestyle. I do cook with me's every now and again here. But if you are enjoying this type of content, check out some more of my videos just so you get the gist of what it is and the vibe over here. So anyway, continuing with this painting, I just flipped it upside down so I could do the bottom. We can move on.
Not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
I wanted you guys to see what the vase looks like as it is still wet and drying. It's not perfect, but that is to be expected. I wasn't looking for perfection. I just wanted something nice and neat. This is the next day, and this is what it looks like as far as the color variation. Let me know down in the comments, do you think it's like a true color? Like, did it change a whole lot from what it looked like when it was wet to now that it's dry? Do you love it? And if you do, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. But yeah, this is it. I could have probably done a better job on the bottom, I'm not gonna lie about that, but nobody's gonna be looking that close. I just really wanted to get this thing done. Now moving on to my floral stems. I do have some, I think those are eucalyptus leaves, and I have 2 different color stems. One set is green. I got them from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and the green stem is from IKEA, and those are the most realistic stems that I ever seen. And those little white tip stems are called Celosia. Anyway, I got those from Walmart, and I think they were $2.49 a piece. I have my wire trimmers because it's easier for me to cut the plastic off around the stem and then bend the stem back and forth so that the wire will break. And that's how I do mine. I just measure up the length that I really want for my vase, and then I just cut them.
today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
I decided to bend the ends of the eucalyptus stems because I thought they would give the floral stems some more stability in the vase, and they wouldn't be so wobbly, and they would just be more stable. But anyway, have you ever made your own floral arrangement? Just let me know down in the comments. Usually I am a wreath girl. I make my own wreaths. I like doing it. It's really fun, but I don't think I've ever made a floral arrangement of any kind on my channel. So let me know if you are enjoying this so far, and I will continue to do this because it was really fun, y'all. I really did enjoy it. I think that I would do this again.
Been trying to get you out of my head, oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed.
And here's the final product. Logan approved. She really wanted to touch it, but we are moving on to the living room where the entryway table is. I'm just gonna get everything off of it, give it a good cleaning. I'm also clean the mirror above it as well before we start styling it. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you.
I knew that I really wanted this entryway table to be modern and simple, so I have this little marble tray that I got out of my powder room. I'm just shopping my home for a little knickknacks here and there. But yeah, like I said, it was in my powder room. I thought it would fit nicely over here in this space. I got that here picture frame from Walmart. It was like $3, and I printed that picture on my printer. That's like one of my favorite pictures of us. We probably should take more family photos, but that is what I have for right now. And I found this little gold orb also from Walmart, and I don't know if I've ever had anything quite like this in my home, so I really thought that it would be super cute And the gold could just play off the gold trim around the picture frame really perfectly. Oh, I just really love the combination. And I also have these little bowl fillers. This is just some excess because you see the package is so big. I have some in my kitchen as well, but yeah, I'm just gonna be sporadically putting them where I think that they would fit and work out perfectly and actually stay on top of the tray.
I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even want it.
I really do love how this DIY ceramic vase turned out. It's so pretty on the table. I really do hope that this motivates you to give this a try, because you see how it just makes that whole space just pop. But anyway, I do have something else that I'm going to add to the bottom of this table here. I went to the store with Logan and we found these 2 bins. They were $14.99 a piece. That's the only thing that I purchased. I'm really trying to be intentional with my purchases for home decor and things in this year 2022, and it is perfect. I really do love it. If you like the way this turned out, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you are new here. Make sure you have that notification bell turned on, because I did go to the Goodwill a few days ago and I found a nightstand that I'm going to transform on this channel, and also a cane back chair. And y'all, I looked up the prices for those pieces, and we'll discuss that in the video if you intend on watching it. But thank you for being here today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I guess I've been searching for places, some familiar faces. I think I just need a little light. I've been trying to fake it. I have said I can take it, but I think you should let